Hey again, everyone. This is probably a small problem that everyone has had once in a while. Now, I am trying to do a loft, but as you can see from this, it sort of splits. But it splits based on invisible sketch entries. Now, I was wondering, and at some points I've seen this when you sort of have overlapping sketches. Let's say something on the other sketch here behind is sort of showing through even though you don't have any like visible per se. But in this case, that is not the problem. But what I did on this sketch is I used projection, and originally the sketch I projected from had a square that had been sort of already projected. And when I projected these lines, somehow it managed to also project the lines, but the lines are sort of invisible. I don't know if this is a bug or what, but if you go and click here, you can select the areas, even though there is no lines or anything. There are no lines, but there are invisible projection lines. So you have here, here, and here. If you delete any of these projection lines, make sure you are actually on your sketch. You can see it here. And there is not a single one other sketch here that is active, because you can actually delete from a sketch that you're not actually in looking at. So if I click this one and then I click delete, then you can see that it shows the projected points. So let's see if I can delete this and this and this. These are all the lines that it projects. There. Now the whole thing is gone, and you're no longer invisibly projecting things that will interfere with selection. See, now I can select it perfectly. And my initial point here is that I wanted to do a loft from, let me see, yeah, so let me see there. My initial problem was that I had this, and I wanted to do a loft from this to this other sketch here. But it was hard because every time I selected, I couldn't select this area as a whole. I had to select like multiples, so in the end I got one solid object. Now I want to loft this one and this, so let's see, create loft. Uh, Maybe I need to do it differently, because normally it should not be a solid object. Cancel. Surface, create loft. Yeah, but you get the point. You can delete them like that.